It's called a GP Pinnace, and the idea of this is when they're practicing with torpedoes, this one follows them up, the practice torpedoes, picks them up and puts them in here. And this is for when they at night, when one comes into land, a flying boat, they put small dinghies with lights on, double row, so that they line up, and then this one gets right at the end and shines this down, so they've got to line up with all the three, you know, two lines of, and this light. And that's the idea of this one.
And you said this is pre-war?
Pre-war, yeah. These are both wartime.
Yeah. And what happened with that one in the end? Did it just get scrapped, or what happened to it after the war?
I'm not sure. Some of them were used as air sea rescue launches, but they were never very quick.
No.
They just got two, I think, Gardner diesels.
Right.